These are prized horses I'm talking about. Them will get you 5,000.
5,000 for horses. Mister, you got yourself a deal. Crazy old fool.
You should see the Braithwaite woman.
Hosea and Sean were planning on going over to the Braithwaites. You haven't seen them?
No, not yet. If they're there already, they better keep their heads down. We don't need this to be any more complicated than it already is.
$5,000 for horses. We've been robbing the wrong folks all
2,500.
these years.
Wir können nur die Hälfte behalten dann.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But if we get even a third of that, it'll be worth it.
Hey!
So how are we gonna play this?
The place is well guarded, so there ain't no point in blasting in there. We'll make them think we're there looking to purchase.
3 armed men?
You'd be armed if you were about to spend 5,000 on horses. We should go in the back way, though. Avoid too many questions.
Die bringen uns wenn wir das Unterwerp verkaufen.
Careful. There's a guard.
I'll speak to him, okay?
All right, then.
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Yeah, we're here to see about some horses.
Horses?
Yeah, we had an appointment with Mr. Braithwaite, I believe.
Yeah, I never heard about any of this.
Our partner wanted to make a significant investment in some stables down here. But perhaps we should look elsewhere.
Well, okay then. Let's head on up to the stables. Someone will come see you.
Ja, FOMO zieht immer.
Eso.
Eso, compi.
All right. I think that's the stables just up ahead. Heads down, play cool. We'll head around the front, hitch up there. All right, let's hitch up here. Let me do the talking. Whoa!
Wie wär's mit Pferd abbinden? Egal. Grüezi. Hi. Hey du,
Hello there.
Stallbursche, hoi.
Can I help you boys?
I hope so. Heard you got some horses.
We always got horses.
Fine horses, I mean.
I don't get you, friend.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
Listen, why don't you get out of here? You, Scarface, and your greaser buddy.
Whoa!
I don't like officials.
We ain't
Schön
officials.
Pennermann.
We're connoisseurs. Looking to do some breedings. Come on now,
Ja, jetzt den
partner.
Stern zum Glück abgenommen, sonst wär's jetzt
Okay,
aufgefallen.
fine. Follow me. These here's mainly
I
the
will
studs
follow
available
you.
for purchase or for working. That's what you're interested in. What is you boys interested
Ooh,
in?
We
nice
represent
Tiere.
a famous stable and stud farm from
Oh,
Saratoga.
Black
That's
Beauty.
Unofficially.
Of course. This here's Sir.
Okay, okay. Jetzt kommt's Wurfmesser.
Here you go, boy.
Greaser, huh?
Okay, bandana's on.
Bandanas on,
Only
hat er
no-
gesagt. Dann machen wir das natürlich. Wo ist mein Bandana? Bandana. Da.
Buddy recognizes us.
All right, I'll grab the white one in the middle. You get the other two.
Ah, in ihm Black Beauty. Ah, warte, nein. Er hätte den White One wollen. Okay, nice. Nice.
Relax,
Easy,
boy.
easy, boy. Easy.
Good boy.
Beruhigen.
Easy.
Easy now.
It's okay. Marston, you're gonna tether him up to Javier's horse.
Okay.
Javier, you're gonna lead the stallions.
Kann man die jetzt... Hallo? Beruhigen.
Whoa, now, easy.
Mann, sind das schöne Ross.
Now, just a scratch.
Komm. Komm mit, komm. Oh. Komm. Oh mein Gott, sind das schöne Ross.
Marston, you ride point.
Ich
I'll
behalt's.
cover up the back. If there's any problems, we regroup at Clemens Cove.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Spanisch, wir gehen nur kurz spazieren.
Go, get out of here. I
Gehen nur
got the
kurz
back.
spazieren. Los,
Stop! Stop! We're being robbed!
los.
Stop these men! Stop!
Warte. Psycho son of a bitch, the
They're coming
bitch.
out of the fields. Stay close to the horses. We don't need any more trouble. There's guards by that wagon.
You're gonna die, right? We got
Nein. Ah, gut, okay.
horseback.
Jungs, Schnauze.
They blocked their way out!
We'll have to go through the field. Stay with us.
Okay, komm mal.
There's a gap in the fence. We can get out that way. Let's try to lose them in the trees.
Nächstes Mal nehme ich die Revolver für so Zeug.
Think we're clear.
No, look out! There's more of them on the road.
Right there.
Stirb da!
You see any more of them?
No?
Don't think so.
All right, let's get these horses to Clemens Cove quick before we run into any more
Oh
trouble.
mein Gott! Die sind so schön, die Vierchen. Easy, Black Beauty, easy.
Shit! One of the stallions is loose. Keep going. I'll get him.
Gib mir's Lasso. Komm, hol das Lasso raus.
Come in. Come on now.
Jo. Easy boy. Komm,
Yeah.
komm. You're fine.
Come here.
You're fine. You're fine, boy.
Hey, Morgan! Over here!
Come.
You got it. Well done. Clemens Cove's just over there. Come on. Let's get this over with.
Whoa.
Well, that could have gone smoother.
That'll be on my gravestone.
Safe.
You think they look like they're paying $5,000 for horses?
I guess we'll see.
Also, laufst du jetzt wieder weg oder kann man dich freilassen? Bleibst du jetzt brav? Bist jetzt brav? Hm? Lass dich frei. Aber nicht weglaufen. Ist gut? Okay. Ja, fein. Ich müsste mal etwas essen, habe ich gesehen. Da. Da eins rauchen. Grüezi miteinander. Hoi. Wenn ihr Interesse habt, Pferdli machen einen guten Preis. 5.000 pro.
What you boys want?
Heard you pay good prices for horses.
Oh, we'll buy more or less anything, Pop.
That so?
Sure, Pop. I'm Clay Davies. That's my brother Clive. We're twins.
Hi, Clive.
John. Arthur. Javier.
So what are you? Cuban?
No,
I don't like Cubans.
that's so.
Maybe. Why, what do you care? You ain't Cuban.
Maybe I like Cubans.
Philipp.
Ooh, you're funny. He's funny. Ain't he funny, Clive? Clive don't talk. We're twins, but I was born first. He came out all yellow and black, but he's okay.
Ja, so sieht er aus.
Sure.
Yeah, I know these horses. They ain't yours.
Jetzt schon.
But I like you, and I'd give you 650
Vergiss
for
es.
'em.
Nope.
I was told we could get up to $5,000 for him.
And I was told the moon was made of ladies' tears. Only it ain't true. Not one little bit.
But
I like you boys, but I ain't got more than 700 on me. You want it, or you want to ride them fellers into town, and maybe someone there'll hang you?
We're gonna need more than that.
I ain't got no more money, Pop. Here, take it or leave it. Uh-huh.
all right.
You goddamn fool, Marston.
Ain't no one round here got $5,000, boys, but nice meeting you. See you boys again, I hope. Come on.
Arsch.
Yeah. Close the gate, Clive.
Arsch. Der Hurenhalunk hat uns gelinkt.
Believed a yarn spun us by one of that Gray family, and imagined we was gonna be wonderfully rich. At the end of it, we felt like prize idiots.
Mission abgeschlossen. Pferdefleisch zum Abendbrot. Tja. Da ist ja mal in die Hose, ne? Ich muss wieder selber behalten, die Rössel. Guten Morgen.
Morning, Arthur.
Hoi. Wenn wir dann Platz erzählen, dann tötet er uns. Beitrag, Kontrollbuch. Nächste Seite, nächste Seite, nächste Seite. Yes! Jetzt gönnen wir für alle unsere Kollegen nice Zelter. Sind ihr zufrieden? Hey? Wie sieht's aus? Sind ihr happy? Ja! Ich hoff's für euch. Gut. Gut. Wir haben kein Geld mehr für nichts anderes, aber jetzt schauen wir mal, was der Daci Boy meint. Gell, Daci, ja. Lauf schneller, Arthur. Lauf schneller. Los, ich hab's eilig.
Arthur!
What now? You sweating yet, Dutch?
Of course I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie-whistling shithole.
I meant about what Trelawny said about these bounty
I'm
hunters.
not sweating as such, but maybe a little gentle perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating.
So?
So, I think you should pay Mr. Trelawny a visit and find out exactly what he knows and who he spoke to.
Okay.
Take Charles with
Machen
you.
wir.
Oh, the sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its
Wir sind so
secrets.
charismatisch.
Okay.
Neidisch. Charles! Baby! Charles, sollen wir zusammen... Gönn dir. Sollen wir zusammen auf ein Abenteuer gehen?
Charles? I need you for some business in town. Come on.
Okay.
Ja, wir sollten uns dringend einmal waschen, habe ich das Gefühl. Machen wir nachher.
Okay, girl.
Let's go to the town. Charles kommt auch, gut. Ja.
Where are we going?
Dutch wants us to have a talk with Trelawny about these bounty hunters who are coming for us. Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputies now.
Kind of, ja.
Something like that. Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
On the run from one bunch of lawmen, working for another. Interesting.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch calls it.
So, spirits seem good. In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now. Ain't seen no more Pinkertons for a while.
Stimmt.
There's these bounty hunters, of course, but Dutch don't seem too worried about it.
Can't believe they're still coming after us. We didn't even get away with the money.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Of course. Trelawny. I've only met him a couple times, but he's a strange one.
Wegen?
Fear not. He's just a cockroach in fancy breeches. But he gets into nooks and crannies the rest of us can't. Reckon it's that one with the fire outside.
Let's take a look.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hi. So. Grüezi.
Someone got here first.
So it seems.
By the looks of things, it wasn't a social call.
Check the house.
What do you think?
Benutze Adlerauge, um Spuren zu suchen. Okay. Okay. Übertrieb's nicht.
There's some blood here. That ain't good.
Big struggle. Pretty recently, I'd say. I guess maybe 12 hours ago?
But no body?
Not yet. Look. Tracks. Come on.
Hat er Tracks gefunden, der Kollege? Zigaretten nehmen wir mit. Also nicht, weil es gesund wäre, aber irgendwie helfen sie uns auf eine
Come on. Before they get too
schwierige
far
Aussage.
ahead.
Charlie Boy, er ist seilig. Komm.
They went down the path here. How's your tracking these days?
All right. I guess.
Zuerst ein bisschen verpflegen. Das ist wichtig. Das ist wichtig. Wow.
Lead the way then.
Jagt aber Spritzen rein. Gut. Du kannst nur keine Waffen. Da ist mir schon klar, Kollege. So, Pferde ne.
Should we keep moving?
Ja. Let's go.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trelawny staying in.
No?
Normally scams himself into the best hotel in town.
Aber müssen wir irgendwie Spuren finden, schon, oder? Ich glaube es. Ist da unsere eigene Spur doch? Pferde folgen. Ja.
You know, when me and Javier went down with Trelawny to get Sean, after the bar fight, I swear, he talked the whole way and never actually said a damn thing.
I thought you knew. That's his special talent. They could be 20 miles away by now.
We can track them that far if we need to. Depends on how much you want to find them.
Yeah. I still ain't sure about that.
See? They must have crossed over the tracks. These tracks lead into the forest here.
Ah ja? Wait. Wait a minute. Ja, er hat recht. Grüezi.
Hey, I can see more tracks this way.
Oi.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Have you seen him? We're looking for our friend.
Kind of.
I don't think he's here.
Ja, den haben wir auch schon gesehen, Kollege.
You seen a strange sort of feller? Sort of formal?
Strange? Sure. Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
Yeah. All right, you two. Where the hell is he? You both better get out of here. Come here.
Junge! Ja, würgen. Ja, Mann. Gib mir meinen scheiß Hut wieder. Da. Ja, warte. Jetzt will ich meinen Hut. Zuerst den Hut. So. Das ist wichtig. Abschützen. Das ist wichtig. Plündern. Du Vögel. Na, du? Willst du noch mal erzählen? Hm?
Where is Trelawny? I don't know.
Bist du sicher, dass du es nicht weißt? Komm.
Tell me where he is. You go to hell.
Nochmal.
You better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
Okay, for Christ's
Gott
sake.
doch.
They took him to a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left. Down the path there by Braithwaite Manor.
Dankeschön. Da noch einmal und jetzt kannst du gehen.
Let me see you again, you hear me?
You got lucky there, my friend.
Nächstes Mal spurst du von Anfang an, dann können wir uns beide ein bisschen Kondition ersparen. Nice Pferdli hast du da. Nice Pferdli. Kaufst du mal eins? Dankeschön. Ihr seid viel weniger widerspenstig wie eure Ritter. Schönen Nachmittag noch.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go! Meine Rede. Kidney beans.
Follow me. I think there's a way around so we don't have to go through the Braithwaite's
Okay.
place.
Yes. I've spent enough time there. After you,
Yep.
then.
You okay?
I'm good.
What do you think they want with Trelawny?
Could be any one of 100 things. Just depends if any of them involve us.
You think he'll talk?
Of course he'll talk. He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare. He don't know how not to talk. He don't know where we're holed up, though. At least I don't think he does.
I don't know why Dutch still deals with him. Always disappearing for weeks on end.
He's got his uses, and, well, loyalty matters to
Ja, aber
Dutch.
nicht ein Trelawny,
Of course.
obviously.
But is Trelawny loyal?
Yeah, kind of. I guess Trelawny ain't exactly disloyal. Just got a
Und
big
lässt sich da
mouth.
empfangen.
Don't worry. If he talked, I'll goddamn find out what he said.
Ich glaube, der hat geredet.
Nothing's ever straightforward where Trelawney's involved. Learned that much.
I mean, how much time have we wasted getting this fool out of trouble?
He somehow manages to be both lucky and unlucky at the same time.
That's one way of looking at it.
But he always finds some way to pay us back. Just when we think about cutting him loose, he brings us something big. I guess that's his special talent, keeping fish on the line.
Ja! Die geniessen es, hä? Der andere ist sicher wieder irgendwo eingesperrt. 100 Pro.
That must be it. Let's get you out of here. Come on, boy.
The thing is, after that shack, this will be remembered like a good time.
Put the man down, gentlemen. Is that the lot of them?
I think so.
So you're alive.
Allegedly.
Well, don't worry, they won't be for much longer.
Okay, go get them, Arthur. I can handle this.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wir haben hier die beste Waffe für da. Oder haben wir sie nicht dabei? Na toll.
Go deal with them, my brothers.
Don't let them get away. Could have told them anything.
Ja, das ist mir schon aufgefallen. Was sind die Bastarde? Wo sind die Vögel? Wir stinken einfach so hart. Wir legen auf unsere eigene Spur. Oh wow.
Stop hiding, you cowards.
Wo sind die Vögel, Mann?
You wait till I find you.
Aha.
I think there's one over here.
Where are you?
Danke, Kollege.
You're making a big mistake.
Glaube ich nicht. Glaube ich nicht.
Hey, check over here.
Hast du ihn gefunden?
Get out of there, you sons of bitches.
Over there, where the birds
Aha, aha, aha. Hier geblieben.
You're dead. You and your friend up there.
Da, Mann.
I'm telling you now.
Noch ein paar letzte Worte,
You
nicht? Gut.
boys ain't leaving here.
How is he knocked down?
We got one more, Charles.
Danke.
Look at the birds. Go that way.
Aha, aha. Wo ist der? Anderer Vogel? Hä?
Hey, I see something on the ground over here.
Ja, das ist der, den wir vorher abgemurkst haben, glaub.
He's dumped his gear. Look around. He can't have gone far.
Willst du mich jetzt verarschen? Wow! Wow! Hey, Kollege! Charles!
He's mine! Let me take him.
Nope.
Get out of here.
You have my friend.
He's not your friend. I'll give you money.
Be
That's my boy. Charles, unbestechlich. Hammer. Hammer. Loyal. Beste.
You should have taken the
Gib mir
money.
mein Messer wieder.
No, I'm a fool.
Wo ein Vogel. Da, Mann.
Shit.
Scheiße, wir müssen.
The gunshots are coming from that barn. Come on.
Scheiße. Scheiß die Wand. Fuck.
Collect them all three, you sons of bitches!
Schnell weg. Da, Mann. Da oben jetzt nochmal ein Mate.
He's backing off inside. Get
Ja,
after him.
let's go. Komm, los.
You can go
So viel Zeit muss sein. Wo? Wo ist der Mate? Aha! Stirbst. So.
Good. You should be the last of them. All right, let's go back for
Ja, jetzt tun
Trelawny.
wir zuerst ein bisschen farmen da.
You all right?
Yeah. Never goes easy, does it?
Sure don't. Come on. Let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
I wonder how much trouble he's brought with him.
Guess we'll soon find out.
Seems like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Our luck's held this long. We got out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty hunters to us?
I hope you're right.
Gut, let's go, Leute. Pilgrim. Baby. Pilgrim. Da kommt sie. Hi. Komm. Hi. Hi. Hey, was machst du?
Yep.
Pilgrim. Pilgrim. Weißt du los?
Yep. Okay, my girl.
Ich glaube, die ist ein bisschen beleidigt, wenn man sie nicht striegelt.
You all right, girl?
So. Ist jetzt besser? Hm? Ist jetzt besser? So. Gut, gehen wir.
Mr. Trelawny, where are you?
Over here, dear boy.
Geht's dir gut?
You okay?
Never finer.
So, who was they?
They were bounty hunter. Attached to Cole Stoudemire.
Okay.
They weren't looking for me, per se.
What you tell them?
Not much. I told them I was an intellectual. Come down here from Oregon, looking for a job at the university. Of course, they didn't believe me. Seems you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Blackwater.
So I keep hearing.
It might be best if I stay with you, gentlemen, for a while. Can't go back to that caravan now.
All right, Charles. You take Trelawny back to camp. I'll catch up with you.
Okay.
Bis später. Der andere lernt es nicht.
There always seems to be more and more civilization. I want to get back in the open country of the West, or what's left of it, but well, even that ain't the way I remember it.
Wir sind abgeschlossen, Luft aufgelöst. Ja, hey. Mal schauen, wenn er sich das nächste Mal fangen lässt, diesen Trelawny Boy. So, ich erkunde jetzt noch ein bisschen das Gebiet. Und dann sehen wir uns nächstes Mal wieder im Lager zurück. Gut. Dann würde ich sagen, Leute, das war's für heute. Schön, dass ihr mit dabei gewesen. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, freue ich mich über einen Daumen nach oben. Schreibt eure Gedanken gerne in die Kommentare und dann sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Aber nicht vergessen, gell? Okay. Tschüss. Ciao.